Hello guys, this is Jaska here with Lavish Locks Hair Company, and today I'm sharing with you one of my hacks. So basically, when I make a mistake, when I'm customizing a wig for a customer, I need to be able to fix it real quickly. Sometimes you can't start over. So this hack today is showing you when you accidentally over bleach your knots on your wigs and it penetrates to the other side and it starts to bleed onto the hair. So I'm gonna show you 2 ways that you can fix it. So stay tuned, bye. So here are a couple items you're gonna need for the first hack. So you're gonna need a comb, 2 hair clips, a spoolie, and a Sharpie marker, or you can use a fabric marker. The fabric marker has 2 points. It has an angle point and then a very detailed point. And I picked both of these markers up from my local craft store, Michael's. So next, you want to make sure that you part off the section that you're going to be working on. I'm going to be working on the right side for this first hack. And I'm going to be taking both of my markers and blending the colors together. I like the fabric marker because, like I said before, it has 2 different points and it absorbs easily into the hair. So I'm just focusing on the roots, making sure that I'm not coloring onto the lace. Remember, we're just color correcting the hair, not the lace. And I'm just blending both markers together, taking my spoolie and combing it through. So next I'm gonna section off the hair and do the other side, just so it's not just that one side that I did. So if the customer parts their hair, it's not like, oh, you missed a spot. Same thing, blend both markers together and then comb with the spoolie. So next I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna do the second hack on the other side. So for the second hack, you're going to need a couple of things. You're gonna need a comb, a hair clip, a spoolie, and these 2 tubes are actually Eyebrow tint. And you can pick this up off of Amazon. I think Sally's might have them. I think I just got these off a beauty supply website online. If I can find it, I'll put it below. But I like to use these because it doesn't really transfer the color and it lasts a little bit longer. And it's easy to use. I don't have to mix it with developer. So just showing you the colors that I'm using. I'm actually gonna do the brown because it actually gets very dark. So I'm just gonna take it directly out the tube onto the spoolie and I'm gonna apply it like I'm applying mascara. So a back and forth wiggly motion, really concentrating on the roots because that's the part that I wanna cover because once again, the bleach has bled through onto the hair and that is no bueno. So just flip it and do the other side directly out the tube, just a small amount. You don't want to oversaturate the hair because if you touch it, it'll then transfer onto your customer's fingers and you don't want to do that. So you just want to do that wherever you need it. And then you want to allow it to sit for 5 minutes. And then that's it. Just wiggling it through, making sure that I got everything. Okay guys, so hopefully that hack was helpful. I will be making more videos about like how do you fix a rip if you have a rip in your wig or if your wig is baggy and saggy. So guys, please, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like and you subscribe to our channel and you share this video with a friend. If you guys have any questions, please make sure that you comment them below or leave a comment. If you like it, put a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can put a thumbs down. Might hurt my feelings, but it'll be okay. I'm strong. But anyways, you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Remember that I love you, God loves you, and guys, happy shopping. Bye.